2,000 subscribers. I can't believe it. Thank you so very much. When Chris and I started this channel, we didn't realise we'd have such interest in our little developer videos. So please stick with us on into the new year. We've got so many more videos to come, whether you're into SharePoint, .NET, whatever the technology is, we're here to help. So if you haven't done already, please click subscribe. We look forward so much to bringing you these videos. And a big thank you. And as always, I'll see you next time.
Hey, it's Chris here. It's on holiday at the moment in the Scottish Highlands, but I just wanted to drop in and say thank you so much for 2,000 subscribers. It's really amazing. We only started the channel to talk about coding, and here we are with 2,000 of you along with us. So we really, really appreciate it. Thank you for watching, liking and commenting on the videos. We've got so much more content planned over the next few months and things we think you'll really like. So do stay tuned and subscribe if you haven't already. Happy coding as always, and we'll see you next time. If you've enjoyed this video, then please do give us a like. And if you like this kind of content, then do make sure you subscribe and ring that bell icon so you never miss out on a video.
And if you want to join us on our developer journey, see the link below. And if you're feeling generous, buy us a coffee.
Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for your time. Happy coding. We'll see you next time.